You're sitting at your desk. The screen's glow burns your eyes. Emails stack up like unpaid bills. A notification pings. It's a message. Great work on that pitch. You read it again. Something's off. The words feel heavy. Like a handshake that's too quick. Or a smile that doesn't reach the eyes. You've been here before, haven't you? That quiet unease? When someone's praise feels like a mask. You're not imagining it. And you're not alone. Life's loud, isn't it? Your inbox never sleeps. Your phone's always buzzing. Colleagues, friends, strangers, online. Everyone's got something to say. You're killing it. Wish I had your hustle. But sometimes, those words don't land right. They sit in your chest. Like a stone, you start to wonder, is it me? Am I reading too much into this? Or is something not true? You're tired. Tired of second guessing. Tired of replaying conversations in your head. Tired of reacting to every little thing. You've tried to slow down. You've read those Stoic quotes. Focus on what you control. You've opened a meditation app. Saturday, still for 5 minutes, but the world keeps pulling you back. Into the noise, into the rush, into the blur of voices that don't always mean what they say. This is where we pause. Not to fix anything, not to give you a big answer, just to SEE, to breathe, to find a quiet corner in your mind, where you can notice what's real and what's not. Stoicism isn't about winning or outsmarting everyone. It's about clarity, about stepping back, about letting the world spin, without dragging you along. Today, we're walking through 13 ways to spot envy, to see falsehood, not to fight it, not to prove anyone wrong, but to protect your peace, to stay whole. These aren't lessons, they're moments, moments you've already lived. Moments where someone's words didn't match their eyes, where their good job felt like a jab. We'll look at them together, slowly, clearly, like sorting through a cluttered desk. If you've ever felt that hewn knees, that moment where someone's words didn't sit right, leave a small sign below. Not for me, not for fame, but so this video finds someone else who needs a quiet moment, just like you do right now. Asterisk, asterisk, 1. The hidden sting. You're at a coffee shop, catching up with a friend. You mention a new client you landed. They lean in, nod. Wow, that's awesome. You must have gotten lucky. Lucky? The word hangs there, like a pinprick. You smile, but it stings. You work nights for that deal, pored over every detail. And now, it's luck. You feel that unease again. That quiet twist in your gut. Seneca, a Stoic who valued clear words, would say this: people hide their envy in plain sight. They wrap it in praise, but it's not praise. It's a barb, a subtle cut, meant to make you doubt, to shrink what you've built. They don't say, I'm jealous. They say, you got lucky, or that's great, for now. The words sound kind, but they're not. They're meant to pull you down, just a little. Notice it. Next time someone's compliment feels off, don't argue, don't defend. Just see it, let it pass, like a cloud. You don't need to prove your work, your effort, your worth. It's already there, in the hours you put in the choices you made. They're words, they're just air. Let them drift, and keep your peace. Asterisk, asterisk, 2. Flickering support. You're at a bar, celebrating a promotion. Your friend raises a glass. To you, man, everyone cheers. But later, when you talk about the stress, the long hours, they're gone. Not physically, but their eyes glaze over. They change the subject, or check their phone. You feel it, that shift, like they were only there for the spotlight, not the weight. Marcus Aurelius, who led an empire, and still felt alone, wrote this: a true friend stands steady, through light and shadow. They don't pick and choose. They're there, always. But some people, their support flickers. They're loud when you win, quiet when you struggle. They love your success, If it makes them look good, but your pain, your doubts, those don't fit their story, watch for it. When someone's enthusiasm fades, when their "I'm here for you" feels conditional, don't chase them, don't beg for their time. Just notice, let them drift, and turn to those who stay, through the highs and the lows. They're rare, but they're real. They're the ones who keep you grounded. Asterisk, asterisk 3. Silent signals. You're in a meeting. You share an idea. Your coworker smiles. That's solid. But their arms are crossed, their jaws tight, the smile doesn't reach their eyes. You feel it, that disconnect. Their words say one thing, their body screams another. It's subtle, but it's there. Epictetus, who owned nothing but his mind, said this: "You can't control others' feelings, but you can see them in their hands, their posture, their eyes. People lie with words, but their bodies betray them. A stiff nod, a forced laugh, a glance away. These are signals, quiet truths, slipping through the cracks. Pay attention. Next time someone's praise feels flat, look closer. Not to judge, not to confront, just to understand. Their tension isn't yours to fix. Their envy isn't yours to carry. Let it be. Step back and keep your focus on what's true, on what's yours." Asterisk. Asterisk 4. The comparison trap. You're scrolling online. A friend posts about your recent win. "Congrats, man, but I did something like that last year." You pause. Why'd they say that? It's not just a comment, it's a measuring stick. They're weighing your success against theirs. And you feel it. That quiet pull to shrink, to compare. Seneca, who saw through the noise of Rome, warned us. Envy loves comparison. It thrives on it. Someone sees your win, and instead of joy, they feel less. So they push back, not with anger, but with subtle jabs. "Your project's cool, but mine was bigger. You're doing great, but I know someone who..." They're not celebrating you. They're defending themselves. Don't fall for it. When their words try to pull you into a race, step out. You're not competing. Your path is yours. Their need to compare? That's their weight, not yours. Let it go and keep your eyes on your own road. Asterisk, asterisk 5. Whispers of division. You're at lunch. A colleague leans in. "Did you hear about Mike? He's been slacking." You nod, but something feels off. Why are they telling you this? Later, you hear they said the same about you to someone else. It's not just gossip. It's a game, a way to divide, to stir the pot. Epictetus, who faced betrayal, said this: "You can't stop others' words, but you can choose not to join them." Some people sow discord, not because they hate you, but because they're restless, they're jealous of your focus. You're calm, so they stir, they whisper, they plant doubts to pull you into their chaos. Step away. When the conversation turns to rumors, don't add fuel, don't take sides, just NOD and shift the topic. Their words are noise. Your peace is yours. Protect it and walk with those who build, not break. Kuusi. Empty praise. You're at a networking event. Someone new shakes your hand. "You're a genius, man. I've heard all about you." It feels good for a second, but then you notice they don't know your work. They're just talking. Their words are too loud, too vague, and you feel it. That hollow ring. Marcus Aurelius, who saw flattery daily, wrote this: "True praise is specific. It sees you. But empty praise, it's a tool, a way to win you over, to soften you up. People use it when they want something. Your trust, your time, your favor. It's not about you. It's about them. Listen closely. When someone's words feel too big, too shiny, ask yourself, do they see me, or are they just performing? Don't reject it. Don't fight it. Just notice, let it pass, and keep your trust for those who earn it. 7. Dimming your shine. You're sharing good news, a project you nailed. Your friend nods. That's cool. But it's not a big deal, right? Not a big deal? You feel it. That quiet deflate, like they're pulling the air out of your moment. It's not overt, but it's there. A subtle nudge to make your win feel smaller. Epictetus, who found worth in himself, said this: your value doesn't need applause. It's in your effort, your choices. But some people, when they see your light, they dim it. Not with cruelty, but with words. You got lucky. Anyone could have done that. They're not attacking you. They're protecting themselves from feeling less. Don't let it stick. When someone tries to shrink your moment, see it. Their words don't change your work, your worth, your path. Let them say what they say and keep shining. Not for them, but for you. Asterisk, asterisk, 8. Shifting sands. You're counting on a friend. They promise to help with a project. But the day comes and they're nowhere. A text arrives. Sorry, got busy. Again, you've heard this before. Their promises are soft, like sand, slipping through your fingers. And you feel it, that quiet erosion of trust. Marcus Aurelius, who valued integrity, wrote this: a person's worth is in their actions, not their words. Some people promise everything, but deliver nothing. Not because they're cruel, but because they're scattered or envious. They commit when it feels good, but vanish when it counts. Watch for it. When someone's words don't match their deeds, don't chase them, don't beg. Just notice. Their unreliability isn't your failure, it's their pattern. Turn to those who show up, who keep their word. They're the ones who build something solid. Asterisk, asterisk, 9. Clinging neat. You're talking to a colleague. They're venting. Again, I'm such a mess. You're so put together. They lean on you constantly, needing your reassurance, your praise. It's exhausting, and you feel it. That quiet drain, like they're pulling your energy to fill their own void. Seneca, who sought inner strength, said this: true connection lifts both sides. But some people, they cling, not out of love, but out of need. They seek your validation to feel whole. And when you don't give it, they twist. They manipulate. They make you feel guilty. Step back. When someone's need feels heavy, don't fix them. Don't carry their weight. Just see it. Their emptiness isn't yours to fill. Protect your peace. And seek those who stand on their own, who share, not take. 10. Quiet instincts. You meet someone new. They're charming, full of compliments. You're going places. Everyone likes them, but something's off. A quiet voice in your gut says, wait. You can't explain it, but it's there, like a shadow behind their smile. Epictetus, who trusted reason and instinct, said this: your mind sees more than your eyes. Your gut feels what words hide. Intuition isn't magic. It's your mind, picking up signals, a tone, a glance, a mismatch. When someone's words feel too smooth, too perfect, listen to that voice. Trust it. Next time you feel that unease, don't dismiss it. Don't overthink it. Just notice. Ask questions. Watch their actions. Let the truth show itself. Your instincts are a guide, a quiet compass, leading you to what's real. Asterisk, asterisk, 11. Guarded words. You're opening up, sharing a struggle. A friend listens, nods. That's tough. But later, you hear your words, twisted, spread around, like confetti. They didn't mean harm, maybe, but it stings, and you feel it, that quiet betrayal of trust. Seneca, who valued caution, warned us. Not everyone deserves your truth. Some people, they take your words and use them to feel bigger, to stir drama, or to mask their own envy. They don't protect what you share. they scatter it. Choose wisely. When you share your heart, ask, has this person earned it? Do they guard your words? Or do they spend them? Don't hide. Don't shut down. Just be careful. Share with those who hold your trust, like a treasure, not a tool. Asterisk 12. Lines in the sand. You're with a friend. They're venting. Again, their negativity spills over, like ink, staining your day. You try to stay calm, but it's heavy. You feel it. That quiet drain, like they're pulling you into their storm, and you're tired of drowning. Epictetus, who mastered control, said this: you can't change others, but you can protect yourself. Boundaries aren't walls. They're lines. Lines that say, this is my peace, this is my space. Some people, they cross them, not with malice, but with carelessness or envy. They lean too hard, demand too much. Draw the line. When someone's energy feels toxic, say no. Step back, not with anger, but with clarity. You're not abandoning them, you're saving yourself. For those who lift you, who respect your space, they're the ones who make you stronger. Asterisk 13. Growing your circle. You're at a dinner, surrounded by friends. They're laughing, sharing, celebrating your win. Not just the win, but you. They see your effort, your heart, and you feel it. That quiet warmth, like a fire, that doesn't burn, but holds you. Marcus Aurelius, who sought the common good, wrote this: life is richer with those who see you, truly, not as a rival, not as a tool, but as you. Envy and falsehood fade. When you're with people who build, who share, who grow, they're not perfect, but they're real. Seek them, not by chasing, not by forcing, but by being you. Be honest, be kind, be steady, and watch. The right ones stay. The ones who cheer your light without dimming their own. They're your circle, your garden, where you grow. Together. You'll step back into the noise tomorrow. The emails, the deadlines, the half-true smiles. But now, you've got something. A quiet space. A place to pause. To see. You've walked through 13 moments where envy hides, where falsehood slips. Not to fight them, not to fix them, but to notice, to let them pass, like clouds that don't touch your sky. Stoicism isn't a book you close. It's a breath you take, a moment where you choose to see instead of react. These signs, they're just shadows. They fade when you don't chase them, when you don't let them pull you in. You don't need to win. You don't need to prove. You just need to be. Tomorrow, when someone's words feel off, when their praise feels heavy, don't fight, don't fix, just breathe. Let the world spin without you for a moment. That's enough. If this helped you find a quiet corner today, come back tomorrow. We'll walk again.